So your Slack is not giving any notifications, or you're facing a problem where the notifications are simply not working, this is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if you have do not disturb mode turned on your Apple, or and then you want to simply go ahead and turn that off. If that is not the case, then you might have another problem, which is permissions problem. So simply go ahead and open your settings, scroll down to apps, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for the Slack application, and then simply go ahead and open it. Here, you want to simply make sure that notifications are turned on. If you don't see another notification setting, you want to turn on background app refresh here, and then go all the way back to notifications, and then open Slack application here in order to go ahead and fix your problem. It is as simple as that. If none of it works, you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.